Hello everyone, I'm Mohammed Welcome. Welcome to yet another wonderful video on TBC. Today I want to talk about the TBC Trusted Sellers app. And the angle I want to focus on is try to give more enlightenment on what the app actually does or what the platform is all about. Because I see a lot of people, they have some misconception about what the app is all about. Okay, some people come and they start going and start messaging those who are trusted sellers who are already registered on the platform. Start messaging them about selling their TBC for them, and all those kind of things, spamming them and the rest of them, and that's not what the app is for. Okay, so I want to use this opportunity to explain what this app is all about. Okay, TBC Trusted Sellers app is a platform where those who consider themselves or who are TBC trusted sellers. Okay, the reason I say consider themselves is that we don't go the extra mile to verify, if they are actually trusted sellers. Okay, so this app actually is designed for the users, for those who are sellers, trusted sellers, and those who want to buy TBC. Let me explain. Okay, if you are a trusted seller, okay, the reason you're registering here is so that you can be easily found. Okay, let me say it again. The reason you are here on this platform is so that you can be easily found. Okay, what I mean by easily found is that, let's say you are in my state. Okay, let's say you're in Anambra State, or maybe you're in my city, Onitsha, and you are a TBC trusted seller. Okay, somebody who wants to know about TBC, somebody who is just interested in joining TBC and wants to buy the coin or invest in the coin or invest in TBC and be part of the community, will want to deal with somebody from their location. Okay, so when they get on Kringle Cash and the rest of them, the only place they can see anybody who is a TBCian is probably in the merchant list, where they will see service providers who offer services to TBCians. Okay, but this is the only app where you can find somebody who is a trusted seller in TBC based on their location. So if you're in Lagos, if you're in Abidjan, if you are in if you're in Papua New Guinea, or you're in Philippines, you're in Manila, and you're looking for somebody who's a TBC trusted seller in Manila that can guide you, you can buy coins from safely without being scammed. Okay, this is what the app is serving for. So you, as a trusted seller, you register here, put your state, put your country, okay, put your city, okay, so that whenever somebody comes on the platform and searches for your city, they will find you, contact you, and do transaction with you. That's the purpose of this app. Now, as a buyer, what you do is you come, you search for your person who is in your location, you find the person, you call the person for a meet, so you meet the person one on one, okay, before you start doing any transaction that involve exchanging money. The reason why this was created in the first place was to beat scammers, because it's easy for you to put information on a website. It's easy for you to appear on Google when people search some certain keywords. Okay. And scammers have come to understand that this works perfectly. So what they do is that they go out of their way to make sure that they appear on Google whenever you type anything about TBC. Now, using things like TBC Exchange, which is the most searched word on the internet about TBC. Okay, TBC exchange is the most searched word right now. Everybody is looking for that exchange here, and all these scammers know that, and they position themselves for that. Now, assuming you are a new person and you don't have a platform like this, and you're looking and you go and you see that exchange here, and from there you go and fall into the hand of these scammers. Okay, that means you lose trust in TBC. But with this platform, it will help you find somebody who is in your location that you can always reach across and find out things about TBC, or form an association or form a team. a marketing team or whatever team you want to form, but it gives you sense of relief that you can find somebody in your location who actually deals on TBC that can help you, guide you, give you the necessary tools that you need to be able to understand TBC and be able to do transactions successfully and be a full-fledged member of TBC. So that's the purpose of this app. So for you guys out there, okay, who are interested in joining this app, all you have to do on the education section, you can go to the education section. Okay, there are a lot of videos on the education section. Okay, there are a lot of videos on the education sessions that you can leverage. I'll try to put up more content so as to help those who are interested, okay? To help those who are interested to be able to get information, okay? But the most important thing you need to understand is always make sure to rely on information from credible people so that you don't get scammed. A lot of people are getting scammed in the cryptocurrency space, and it is because of lack of information. And that is why you see me going out of my way. It's not that I'm being paid or getting special privilege for doing all this, but I'm doing it so that I will help those people out there who are members, who are new members, or who want to join. Because the goal, the goal is to help them, be part of the community safely and have a better understanding of what the community is all about. Because once you have the wrong conception and you come into TBC, you're going to feel that you're wasting your time. Once you're being brought in by the wrong people or you are being scammed while trying to enter TBC, you've lost trust when it comes to the name TBC. Sure, anywhere you hear the name TBC, you will be like, hey, don't enter, don't join. These people are scammers. You get what I'm saying? But when you have credible platform like this, where you can actually contact people and then search for people based on your location, okay, and you meet up with them, it makes things easy, gives you rest of mind, knowing fully well that you're dealing with somebody who is a TBC member. So, guys, I just did this video to help enlighten us because I see a lot of people who they go out of their way in trying to desperate nature to sell TBC, and they start spamming everybody who is listed on the platform, not knowing that if they actually want to sell their TBC, all they have to do is list themselves on the platform, spread the platform so that those people who want to buy TBC can come there, find them. Then also, I gave you guys the opportunity that if you need a special link that you could want to promote by yourself, you don't want to, you want to promote by yourself, you want to run Google advert, you want to run Facebook advert, but you understand what I'm saying? You want that special link that will help people find you. All you have to do is contact me and I'll tell you what it will take to get you that special link so that anybody who searches you will find you directly on the TBC Trusted Sellers app. Okay, they'll find you directly, they will do transactions with you. Okay, so if you're interested in that, all you have to do is text me, call, WhatsApp. I will respond to you. Okay, you can also email me. My details are below. Okay, but the most important thing you need to understand is be smart when you're doing this. Okay, you have to be well educated and enlightened about TBC, and that is why if you're labeling yourself as a TBC trusted seller, if you're labeling yourself as a TBC trusted seller, you should have the Billion Coin app, you should have the Billion Coin Math app, you should have the TBC Education TV app. Okay, you have to be well seasoned to understand because what people are looking for you, when people ask you about TBC, they want to know two things. Can it be exchanged for something? Can I use it to buy stuff? You understand what I'm saying? Okay, you being enlightened will make them understand that yes, you can exchange it, but this is the medium how we exchange it. Okay, if you're looking for a platforms to buy things, you can start with the Billion Coin Mart app, and from there progress to other places. Go to the merchant list and find people who sell things for TB and accept TBC in your location. But you have to be seasoned. You have to be well taught. Okay, most times, most of the things I know is self-taught. I didn't go to any university for a cryptocurrency. I read books. You understand what I'm saying? And you can do the same thing. We have the power of the internet where you can leverage things like YouTube to get information, tons of information on YouTube, okay, about cryptocurrency. And also you can get information on TBC. For those of you guys who are shy about doing videos, okay, all right, you can leverage my videos, you can leverage the videos of others, you can leverage the TBC Education TV app. Okay, all you have to do is just give the person these tools, and you don't have to be worried about stress from anybody, knowing fully well that those tools will enlighten them. So, guys, that's it for this video. I hope my message is clear. I hope my message is clear, and I hope you guys understand what the TBC Trusted Sellers app is all about. So, if you are looking to sell your TBC, okay, and you're looking for a platform or a listing where you can list yourself as a TBC trusted seller, all you have to do is download the app. Okay, the link is in the description below. You can contact me directly for the link. Okay, you get the link, you go through the education platform, you see how to register. When you now see how to register, when you now register and you want a special link, especially for those of you guys who want to promote your own, you want to promote your own listing, okay, on the app, all you have to do is contact me directly and I'll tell you the conditions for you to be able to get the link. All right. Now, if you're not interested in getting the link, you just want to be listed there such a way that anybody comes there and they search for you, you know, that they will find you. No problem. You can list, but just know that when you are deliberate about getting results, you actually get results. Okay. But please, if you're one of those people who are spamming people, asking them to sell for you or partner with you, you give them 50%. Everybody wants to sell. Okay. I also want to sell, but I'm not desperate about it because I'm not relying on that income to feed myself and my family. I have other businesses I do. I design website, which I also do for TBC. I design apps. Okay, I have several online businesses that I have that are bringing their own revenue. So me doing this is also is a way of not only building my brand but also enlightening people because I've seen it all when it comes to the online space. And I'm one person that, hey, no matter the technicalities you use in trying to explain stuff to me, I always find a way to understand it and explain it in the layman's term. And that is why you see me doing this because I know that 90% of the people out there don't even understand the whole jargons about cryptocurrency. And that is why people like me are going to be their voice and people who are going to translate the whole jargon and explain to them in simple layman terms. So, I still don't know how much Bilago. I hope you find value in this video. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed, and share the video if you find value in it. Till I see you next time, still Bilago. Take care and bye for now.